Hello, once again, students. So, I'm going to once again show you another module run of what we're going to be making, and then I'll show you the tools that you're going to wind up needing to make it. Now, obviously, I'm not going to show you the exact line-by-line code for the entire project. I'm expecting that you guys remember what it is that you've done in previous assignments and be able to apply it. So, here we go. So, welcome to the word scramble game. Please unscramble the letters to guess a word. Now, I made these all Super Smash Brothers characters, so those that have played Smash Brothers already know that this is Ness. So, the word is N-S-S-E. Okay, so what if I just say something like, I don't know, S-S-N-E? Yeah, obviously that's not a real word, but whatever. And I'll hit enter. Sorry, that was incorrect. My answer is, and it'll give me another chance. So, like maybe I'll do E-S-S-N. No, sorry, that was incorrect. Okay, let me just do capital E-N. Actually, let me just do lowercase. Let me show you this guy off. Sorry, that was incorrect. I have to physically be the exact context. So, yes, you can in fact change it so that your answer is always in uppercase or always in lowercase. We're not going to do that, but now that I have the answer completely correct in the syntax that it wants, it'll say congratulations and thus end the program. Now, the way this will wind up looking like in a visual form is going to be something like this. So let me zoom in here. So, it's actually a very linear path here. There's not much looping, there's not much if statements. It's very simple. Now, there's a lot of stuff we wind up having to make. You know, obviously we start the program, we import a random. Then we've got ourselves a few variables we need to declare here. We need a word bank of at least 10 words. I mean, we don't want to have the same word be guessed all the time, so let's do a random word bank of at least 10 words. You get to pick what words you want. You get to choose a word bank from a random. Now, you already know generally how to do randomizing, but we'll use a len most likely to do this, or a random integer, and then we choose a correct answer and equals chosen word. Jumble word equals blank. You'll see why we do that in a moment. Then, of course, does the chosen word exist? So, did they get the chosen word? Is there a chosen word yet? Which is why we have a chosen word equals none. Chosen word, whatever. So, yes, does the word exist? We're going to, randomize the position, randomize the word, and basically this will keep looping through itself until eventually the original word no longer exists, and the new word is a jumbled random batch of letters. And then once that figures out the jumbled random batch of letters, it's going to go and print the rules of the game, print the jumbled word. User gets to guess. Did the user guess it correctly? No. Sorry, incorrect. Guess again. No, guess again. No, guess again. No, guess again. It keeps going until they finally guess it correctly, and the game ends. So, obviously, what we have here is we have a very straight line with really only 2 bits of looping information here. So we're doing probably a while not equals down here, and we're probably doing something else like that as long as this word exists. So as long as there's something left in the chosen word. So once the chosen word completely deletes itself, the new random word takes its place. So we're using 2 while loops here. And the rest of it is all just simple, top down, as long as you put this before you do this, before you do that, before you do that, because remember, coding goes line by line by line by line by line, unless we tell it otherwise. So yeah, this should be generally easy to understand. Now, in order to understand that, though, I'm going to have to go over a thing called len. You might have already heard me mention it once or twice in this video.